Bonjour, welcome to Frenchdiaries. The topic for today is animals. Animals, and in French we call it les animaux. Les animaux. I have divided the animals into three categories. First one is farm animals, second one is domestic or pet animals, and third one is wild animals. Right? So let's start with the farm animals. Les animaux de la ferme. Ferme is farm. Les animaux. Farm animals, right? Le cheval. Le cheval. Right? Horse. Le cheval. La vache. La vache, which is for cow. Le cochon. Le cochon, pig. Le mouton. Le mouton, sheep. Le poulet. Le poulet is chicken. La chèvre. La chèvre, it means goat. Le canard. Le canard, duck. Le coq. Le coq, rooster. Le lapin. Le lapin, it means rabbit. Le chameau. Le chameau, camel. Right? Let's repeat once more, and you can repeat after me. Le cheval. La vache. Le cochon. Le mouton. Le poulet. La chèvre. Le canard. Le coq. Le lapin. And le chameau. Chameau. Right? Let's move to domestic animals. Les animaux domestiques. Le chien. Le chien, which is for dog. Le chat. Le chat, for cat. Is oiseau. Oiseau. With the article, it will become l'oiseau. L'oiseau, which is for bird. Le poisson. Poisson, fish. La tortue. La tortue, turtle. Le hamster. Le hamster, which is hamster. Le cochon d'Inde. Le cochon d'Inde, the guinea pig, small pig, right? Le cochon d'Inde. Le sapin. Le sapin, which means snake. Le perroquet. Le perroquet, parrot. Le rat. Le rat, which means rat. Let's revise once more. You can repeat after me. Le chien. Le chat. L'oiseau. Le poisson. Le tortue. La tortue. Le hamster. Le cochon d'Inde. Le sapin. Le perroquet. And le rat. Right? I hope this is clear. Okay, let's discuss the third part. Les animaux sauvages. Les animaux sauvages, which means wild animals. First one is le lion. Le lion. Lion. Right? Le lion. Le singe. Le singe. Monkey. L'éléphant or elephant. With article it will become l'éléphant. L'éléphant means elephant. Le tigre. Le tigre. Tiger. Le girafe. Le girafe. Giraffe. L'ours or without article it will be ox. With article l'ours. Bear. Le chèvre. Le chèvre. Zebra. Le rhinocéros. Le rhinocéros. Le rhinocéros. Rhinoceros. Le kangaroo. Le kangaroo. Kangaroo. Le crocodile. Le crocodile. Crocodile. Let's repeat once more. You can repeat after me. Le lion. Le singe. L'éléphant. Le tigre. Le girafe. L'ours. Le chèvre. Le rhinocéros. Rhinocéros. Le kangaroo. Le crocodile. Le crocodile. I hope it's clear. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.